What happens to your body under stress? Hi, I'm Allison Iotti from Living the Sound Life, your online resource for board-certified health coaching, stress management, and relaxation strategies. Stress is a natural psychophysiological response to situations and conditions that help the body work efficiently for our benefit. Acute stress can be beneficial. Chronic or excessive distress can lead to serious health problems. Let's explore the stress response. You hear a loud crashing sound. This sensory information bypasses the reasoning centers of the brain, reaching the amygdala located in the hypothalamus. The amygdala releases corticotropin-releasing hormone, CRH, which stimulates the sympathetic pathway in the autonomic nervous system and initiates the stress response. You tense. CRH is a chemical signal that prompts the pituitary gland to release adrenocorticotropic hormone, ACTH, into the bloodstream. ACTH is then carried to the adrenal glands. The adrenal glands begin producing epinephrine, also known as adrenaline, and glucocorticoids, such as cortisol. At the same time, the amygdala is sending signals to the frontal brain region, which tries to interpret the meaning of the alarming sound. Is it a threat? You realize the sound comes from a YouTube video being watched in the next room. It is not a threat, and you relax. However, if the crashing sound had been part of your roof collapsing, you would recognize the danger. In that case, circulating glucocorticoids would activate the locus coeruleus in the brainstem, releasing norepinephrine, which would signal the amygdala to continue producing CRH, thereby maintaining the stress response. Over time, chronic stress results in illness through a process called general adaptation syndrome, which describes the body's predictable physiological response to long-term stress. It progresses through 3 stages: alarm, the initial shock and activation; resistance, when the body attempts to adapt and cope; and finally, exhaustion, when energy resources are depleted, leaving the body vulnerable to illness. Chronic stress consumes more energy than the body produces, resulting in sickness and chronic health conditions. The body responds equally to stressors, whether you are running for your life or constantly worried. The biological impact is the same. Stress, including daily psychological and physiological stressors such as arguments, exercise, and traffic, can negatively impact your health. Managing your stress is an essential ingredient for a healthy life.